It's our 1 year.
It's our 1 year. What is something you're most looking forward to today?
I don't know. I'm really excited to give you your gift, that's for sure. Alright, Sarah's running away from me, but we just got changed and we're headed to dinner. We wanted to look kind of nice for dinner and then the fireworks because we're gonna be recording during the fireworks, and I'm gonna at least give her my gifts during the fireworks. Yeah. Alright, and we're crossing the street right now. No one's killing us yet, so that's good. But yeah, it's gonna be a good rest of the night. Those are really the only two other events that we have planned for the day. It's just dinner and then fireworks, which the fireworks are gonna be at like 9:45, 10-ish. So, we've got a little bit of time. Food here at the Big Woods Pizza Company. Yeah, it's gonna be good. This is it. This is the pizza. It's a little pizza because we only got the 10-inch because there's only two of us. But
Right, you don't hold these.
yeah, I don't know how much I can eat of this. I'm not really
We
stuffed.
just got out of dinner. Super good.
Yeah.
Recommend it.
Yeah, Big Woods, delicious.
It was only like $15 for a 10-inch pizza, and we got two different flavors,
Yeah.
styles of pizza. So it was super good. But now we have like 4.5 hours until the fireworks. And we've done everything we can.
Yeah, everything we can think of at this point. Like the next best thing would be like if we were actually camping at Brown County, we could just go back to the campground and hang out and like chill. But we're not camping. So
do we sit in the car for the next 5 hours? We already got ice cream, so we're not getting ice cream again.
yeah.
I am so full. I don't think I can
Like,
eat anything else.
else.
Alright, so we are gonna actually head back to Josh's apartment right now for a little bit because we were like, we're gonna be sitting here for like 3 hours because everything was closed.
Yeah.
We'd already done everything.
It was like there wasn't really anything more to do, like because stuff closes at like 5 or 6 on Independence Day, so people can like, which is totally understandable, so people can go to their families and get prepared for fireworks. But like for us, we're just like, oh well, we're not camping here, so we don't have a campground to go back to.
We're not staying in a hotel, obviously.
Yeah.
So we were like, well, don't really know what else to do. So we are just gonna go back to his apartment for a little bit. It's only like an hour away.
Yeah.
So it's really not that bad. So
we're gonna go back to my apartment, and then we're gonna head back here.
either here or in Indy.
Yeah.
Either one. So yeah. We were both just like sitting here for like 3 hours, like we could do it, but we were like, we'll just go relax a little bit at his apartment.
Yeah.
It's out of focus. Okay. So we are getting ready to go watch fireworks.
Yeah. Yeah.
We don't know where yet because we don't think we're going to go back to Brown County.
Yeah, because it's way too far of a drive.
Yeah. I'm going to show them my dress though. But if anyone's wondering, this dress, it's an actual wrap dress, which I love. Had to wear something under it, obviously, because it's pretty low. But I got it from, babe, where was it? Was it TJ Maxx or Marshalls?
I think it's Marshalls.
Marshalls? Probably. And I know I saw it at TJ Maxx too, so I think it was like 16 bucks or something, so not bad at all. Can you tell them what we decided to do?
Yeah, so since we didn't want to go downtown Indy, didn't want to go to downtown Indy, and we didn't want to drive all the way back to Brown County, we're going to the Edinburgh Fireworks at their sports complex, which is just like a sports park. So, yeah, it's gonna go down there.
We're gonna go there and hopefully find a cute spot to like put our picnic blanket on and do. Okay, that's not good. To do that whole thing, my makeup's like all worn off.
Not really.
Kind of. Doesn't look as good.
It looks good.
My hair is not curly anymore. The humidity killed everything.
The humidity was awful in Brown County.
So bad today. We were looking up, like it felt like 100 degrees today. It was bad. Like when we got to dinner, they were like, "Do you want to eat inside or outside?" We're like, inside.
Yeah, definitely inside.
It was way too hot to eat outside. It was like, especially on the trail, like it got hard to breathe at some points. Like
Yeah.
not necessarily even from like the walking or like walking up hills or down hills or whatever. It was like the walking and then like the heat and not being able to like fully breathe in because of like how thick the air was. It was a mess. So
Yeah. What's happening? They're playing Zoom. Whoa. Maybe it's supposed to say just say Zoom without laughing or something like that.
I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe that's an Eric game because I haven't heard of that.
I've never heard of that. His family is having a party today. And obviously we're not there.
Oh yeah, we're still recording. Yeah. Her family's having a party today. They don't normally do 4th of July parties.
I was
So.
gonna say, that seems kind of odd for them.
Yeah. They normally we'll cook out and we'll set off some
Well,
fireworks.
they typically go camping.
Yeah, we do actually.
So they didn't go camping this year. So it was like weird that they actually decided to do something. But I don't know. I guess someday at some point we'll probably start just going to family things for the 4th. But I feel like for the first couple years we'll probably do our own thing.
Yeah,
'Cause
because
it's
it's pretty important to us.
Yeah, it's not like just a random holiday. It's actually like significant to our relationship. I don't know what that was. I just felt like. I love the harmonies. Yeah, this is actually good.
Yeah, it is.
This is terrible.
The white guy with the super deep voice in
Yeah.
this band. It's crazy.
Oh my
It's
gosh,
so
yeah.
skinny. He's
He
like,
actually left the band.
oh, did he?
Well, it's crazy. We love Pentatonics. They're actually like, Pentatonics has my favorite Christmas music, and so does Glee. Like, actually, I've never watched Glee, but I love their Christmas album, so we'll probably be listening to a lot of that in like September.
All right.
We didn't show the ornament we got.
No, yeah, we haven't shown that
Is it
yet.
here? Is it in here?
I think so.
I'll get it in a minute. But Josh and I bought we told them about the ornament.
Yeah.
So pretty. Love it. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh my gosh,
Continue
babe.
for 1 mile.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's super pretty.
That's gorgeous. Pretty sure, like, if it wasn't so hot, this would have been like the prettiest day ever.
Yeah. Today was beautiful. It was so
Ungodly hot, yeah. I can still see pretty well. This is cute.
What?
This area.
Yeah.
So cute.
Edinburgh's nice.
Yeah.
So we're exchanging our anniversary gifts now, or most of them.
Yeah. Just open it.
So. I love you.
That's gonna be a long read.
I can feel it's like
It's 2 pages.
Okay.
Do you like it so far?
I'm about to cry.
What?
I love you too.
Okay, this is the first one.
It's an apron.
It's our aprons. You love it?
It's awesome. I love it.
Okay.
Aw, you're the best.
Okay. This is the last one.
Now we
So-
have to change the shells on these.
I know!
It feels like a book.
So, this will be our family Bible. In it is highlighted scriptures about marriage, about parenting, about faithfulness and God providing. And I went through and highlighted a lot. I haven't finished it, but this will be what we read our kids out of, what we read to each other when we're struggling, but this is our family Bible. You like it?
Yeah.
Did I outdo myself?
Yeah.
You love it?
I know you guys can't probably see this super well. So did you know this was coming?
No.
Did you really not?
I mean, I had a couple guesses.
Alright. We're engaged now officially. And it's super exciting. And it's gonna be great. So, set up this one. So how do you feel?
You like that?